Welcome to another 2 Minutes with Trevor. We're diving into more CO2, and I want to talk about auxiliary units and what they are. An auxiliary unit on a CO2 transcritical booster system is really for low pressure transcritical booster systems. And what does that really mean? Is when your flash tank and everything below your flash tank, maximum pressure relief is 650 psi or 45 bar. Okay, and why do we have this? Here in Canada, I've seen these on so many different systems. We've been to a lot of sites. They're on a lot of systems, but I know a lot of the people I train across the US, they did say there's no auxiliary unit. One of the main purposes a lot of people buy them for, and they think, oh, it's just for power outage. No. These are for service. You use these for service. Most technicians use them for service. And I'll give you a couple of examples of how you can use it for service. If you're going to do an oil separator change on a low pressure transcritical booster system, you can turn it on, let it run, and you have a lot more time to work on that separator in case something goes wrong. Because sometimes it should only take an hour to do it, maybe an hour and a half, depending on the size of the system. But if you ran into this issue and you needed to go 2 hours or 3 hours, you could potentially have that time. Also, if you're working on the filter dryer, you can turn it on. If it's a really hot day in the middle of summer and you have to do work on it, you can just turn it on, keep that pressure down in that flash tank receiver, as well as you want to do a pump down. Do you think you could pump it down a lot faster? If you're running your flash tank a lot colder, you could turn this on and get it running. These are a few things that you could use an auxiliary unit for. Hopefully this helped you. I'd love to hear, have you used an auxiliary unit? Do you have them on any of your CO2 systems? Put it in the comments below. My name is Trevor Matthews. Let's get a conversation going.